Poems from the Divan of Hafiz, translated by Gertrude Bell, 1868 to 1926. This is a LibriVox recording. All LibriVox recordings are in the public domain. For more information or to volunteer, please visit LibriVox.org. Recording by Kevin Davidson. Poem 2. The bird of gardens sang unto the rose, new blown in the clear dawn. Bow down thy head, as fair as thou within this garden close. Many have bloomed and died. She laughed and said, that I am born to fade grieves not my heart, but never was it a true lover's part to vex with bitter words his love's repose. The tavern step shall be thy hostelry, for love's diviner breath comes but to those that suppliant on the dusty threshold lie. And thou, if thou wouldst drink the wine that flows from life's bejewelled goblet, ruby red, upon thine eyelashes thine eyes shall thread 1,000 tears for this temerity. Last night when Irem's magic garden slept, stirring the hyacinth's purple tresses curled, the wind of morning through the alleys stepped. Where is thy cup, the mirror of the world? Ah, where is love, thou throne of gem? I cried. The breezes knew not, but alas, they sighed, that happiness should sleep so long, and wept. Not on the lips of men love's secret lies, remote and unrevealed his dwelling place. O Saki, come, the idle laughter dies, when thou the feast with heavenly wine dost grace. Patience and wisdom, Hafiz, in a sea of thine own tears are drowned. Thy misery they could not still, nor hide from curious eyes.